Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTubers, subscribers, gunners, wherever you're from, man. I'm glad you're here with me. Today we are going to get into some extreme cutting. You're going to hear 40 in the back with the drill soon because he doesn't pay attention when the record button's on. But today we are going to get into some deep cutting into the car. We are going to shed a lot of weight. Now, very, very important. Where we're taking these cuts now, it's all solely on to you. I am not responsible for anyone doing these kind of cuts and driving this car on the street. I can only be responsible for what I put out on a certain level, right? So, right now we are strictly on quarter mile on the track cutting. Everything else is fair game. We are going to take more of the B-pillar out. We are going to cut behind where the dashboard would mount. We are going to take out some of the side frame bars out. And yeah, let's enjoy this vlog. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and let's start. Alright, so 40 has started already on the front frame part of this car. We are going to remove this side, remove the other side. We're going to install some K-tune door hinges. We are going to start cutting into here, removing some of this weight. Probably leave this guy on for now, but eventually he's leaving too. And then we'll cut into up here, and I'll show you guys how much more weight we're going to shed off. This will be the lightest Honda Civic ever. And I know you guys are going to punch the screen and look, no way! If you were on my IG Live, you know. So, yeah, let's get into it, man. Keep gunning. Okay, so I'm going into this part of the pillar right here, and I'm going to remove this entire part. So now, if you're wondering if this is going to flex the chassis, it will if we don't install a roll cage. So we'll put the roll cage in once everything is all cut out of the way. We'll be good to go, man. We're just gonna get rid of all this weight right here, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Yeah, there goes 40. Just chipping away at the frame. So now we got to jack up the car, find the spot welds under here, and then once he removes this whole section, we're gonna get a big section, well, big weight off of the car from right here. So he jacked up the car, find the spot welds under, remove that part. I went ahead and finished removing the pillar. So I'll move on to this side here. A-pillars are out, man. Nice clean cuts. I'm gonna start taking off these bars, these braces for the roof. So you're gonna skin it right here, but you gotta be super careful. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Don't push on the blade. And that's basically it. So now it's the same thing as that door bar. We cut the ends off and then we got the glue holding it up. So we're just trimming the edges off that's holding on to the rest of the chassis, and then we'll move on from there. Hopefully you can see better right here. I'll move move on to the other side, and then we'll go from there. So now that we have to get rid of this glue, we're just going to cut as much as we can with the razor so we can get the wire in here. This old factory glue that they put in. Now some people might think this weighs nothing, but imagine we didn't cut nothing at all, you know what I mean? Every little bit is going to count. And I think this roof will end up being lighter than a carbon one, because of how much resin is on it. Yep. It's all gonna count, man. I'll take out the rest now. Alright guys, I'm wrapping this vlog up. We cut a whole bunch out today. We took out the A-pillars, took that above. We still haven't really shaved and grinded anything off. It's still raw, but we'll clean it up maybe tomorrow. We took out some of the bars from the go across the roof liner. Took out the back where the trunk is, where the trunk hinges are. And then we took out the side in front of the front frame. 40 did a great job taking it off. Great job. We saved a ton of weight today. I'm probably going to say almost 60-70 pounds, which is crucial at this point. So Y&S is going to send me a roof cap. If you haven't already checked them out, Y&S Lexan. That is on its way. This is everything we removed today. And I'm not going to lie to you, everything's heavy. Everything is heavy. Now just remember, ladies and gentlemen, from this point on, you're on your own. If you're gonna go this extreme, you're on your own. I suggest this car is definitely getting a 12-point roll cage. This car will be track use only. This will not be daily driven. So yeah, proceed with caution. Do everything safely, do everything correct, take your time, and yeah, we'll keep gunning, man. Continue to be great, man. Spread positivity. Like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, man. Keep gunning.